Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $528 that I'm putting into my envelopes. I have my wallet already figured out. I'm going to put $170 in here, and the breakdown for that is going to be in spending. That'll get $30. Eating out will get $30, groceries $80, coffee $20, and then buffer $10. So that'll be $170 for the week in my wallet. All right, and then I do want to actually figure out, I want to do some savings challenges first before I move on to all my other envelopes, my sinking funds. So let me go in here. I'm trying to finish the 52 circle, and I'm just going to do 21 this week. Just knock out that large number that I have on there, 21. And then, and I'm going to do the roll the dice just to get that out of the way. I'm going to roll twice, yeah. Okay, so here's the first roll, which is 1 and 2. So that is, a mushroom. So that's $5. And then a second roll. Oh wait, hold on. I need to do this one again because it was on the side. So 4 and 3. 4 and 3 is a star, so that's $1. All right, so that's a total of 6 for this challenge this week. $6 in Power Up. Okay, and then I will come back to this once I finish filling all my other envelopes. Oh, and then I'm gonna do some priority envelopes next. So I have extra savings, which I'm thinking, what have I been doing? I've been doing 20s. I'm just gonna go with 20 for this week. 20 in extra savings. Okay, another priority is month ahead. This is gonna get 20. Another priority is Go Wild. This is gonna get 20. And I think I'm gonna do 20 and Treat Yourself, because I feel like it's important. That's a priority for sure. At least for me, it is to treat myself. Okay, so I'm left with 251, and I'm just gonna go down the line in my binders and fill in the rest with amounts. Okay, I just like to get those out of the way first before I start going into my envelopes, because I do have a lot of envelopes that I need to go through. And I like to start with the binder. Like this binder tends to have the envelopes that need larger amounts in here. Like more of a, not really higher priority. Well, I guess, I'm not sure. But yeah, these are a little bit of higher ones here that I like to save towards. So we have auto this week. I'll put 10 in auto. Electronics is just gonna get 5 this week. I already did, oh no, I didn't do emergency. This will get 10. I already did extra savings. Furniture will just get 5 this week. Month ahead I already did. Rainy day will get 5. I like to put something into each envelope, even if it's just $5, $1, whatever it is, just something each week every time I cash stuff. Registration. Okay, so in my last, if you don't watch my unstuffing videos, I did take this money back to the bank. It is fully funded right now, as of right now, until I get my invoice telling me how much I owe. But I saved how much I paid this year, so I'm hoping it's around that same amount. So I have 170 that's back in the bank. Road trip, I'm gonna put 10 in road trip. Scentsy will just get 5. Subscriptions will get 5. Travel, 10. All right, next binder up is going to be, actually I want to do this binder next. Okay, I already did Go Wild, so let's do Disneyland. I'm going to Disneyland not next week, the week after. So right now I have 51. There's a whole bunch of new food items that I want to try out. I can't try out everything, but I'm going to do like a little list of things that I can try out while I'm there. I have 51 right now, so I'm going to put 10 in Disneyland for this week. I already did treat yourself, fun. Oh, actually, I'm going to put 10 in fun. Hobbies, we'll get 5. Christmas, I have this one at my goal amount of $9.30, but I'm still saving towards Christmas because I figure more is better than less. So still, and then whatever I have left over will roll over to next year if I have anything left over. So I'm just gonna put 5. Holiday decor, we'll get 10. I've been spending from this, and I know that this year I want to buy a Christmas tree for my office. I have a Christmas tree for the family room or the living room, and then I have a Christmas tree for my bedroom, and I know I want a Christmas tree for my office. Not anything big because I'm looking around, I don't really have like a space for a big tree, but maybe something I could put on my desk that I can decorate, because I do have this corner area like right to the right of me where I could put a tree, and I think that would actually look cute to have a tree on my desk. So that's my thought process. So it won't be as expensive as I thought it was going to be, because at first I was thinking I was going to put an actual, maybe like a skinny tree in the corner, but it won't have to be as tall. So yeah, and then I want this to have a certain theme, because each tree has its own theme, so I'll need to think of a theme for that tree. So yeah, I know I need to buy a tree, so I wanted to put a little bit more money in there. All right, so that is the pink binder. Next is the gray binder. Beauty, I'm gonna put 10 in beauty. Clothing will get 10. Costco will get 5. I'm actually going to Costco. I think I'm making a Costco trip this week. And then this also gets my leftover money that I have for my wallet, so it'll get a little bit more than what I'm planning. Family will get, let's see, do I have any family things? We've been doing a lot of family things recently, and I think we don't have anything planned, basically. So I'm just gonna put 5 in here. Gifts. Okay, I'm trying to think of birthdays. The next birthday is in October, so I have some time for this. I'm just gonna put 5. No, I'll put 10. I'll put 10, just in case something comes up. Home will get 10. Household will get, I actually want to put 15 in here. I know I need to get toilet paper this week, and then probably a couple other things. So that'll put me up to 45, so that's good. Pantry is at 30 right now, so I'm not putting anything in pantry. And then Target, I'll put 10 in here. Okay, I'm left with 71. I'm left with more than I thought I would be left with at this point, so I'm just going to, before I go to savings challenges, I'm going to bump up some of these a little bit. Oh no, I don't have any whiteout. Do I have whiteout? Oh, I ran out of whiteout. Or I have whiteout, I just don't know where it is. So I'm gonna have to just write over things. So this one, I'm gonna bump up some of my priority envelopes. So this extra savings is gonna get 25 instead of 20. So that's another 5. Month ahead will get 25. That's another 5. Go Wild will get 25. And Treat Yourself will get 25. And then Auto, I want to put 15. So that's another 5. What other envelopes should I do? Oh, Fun. Where's Fun? Because I'm going out to eat with some friends next week, so I'm going to put 15 in here. And I think that's good. Maybe I could do some decent amounts in my savings challenges, because I'm going to be unstuffing these challenges soon, like probably right after I cash stuff, I will be unstuffing, let's see, this challenge because it's an August monthly challenge. Any of my monthly ones. This one I will unstuff. This one I will unstuff, and this one will get unstuffed. And then these two are the only ones that I'm waiting until I finish completely. So I think I want to get some decent amounts in here before I unstuff things. Okay, so I have this August challenge. I can do these. This is a $5 challenge, so 5, 10. I'll just do 15 in this one. This is a $5 one, so 15. Then I have this brain dump one here. I will do, oh, you know what? I should go to Cash Dash first. Hold on, sorry. You know, I'm just gonna save 10 towards this challenge. I always have to mention this because I always get comments about it. Like, people always tell me, you have 5 spaces open, but I'm saving those. I just like to have at least a couple of low numbers. And when I started this challenge, I started realizing I was coloring in all of the low ones first, and I can't erase things on this challenge since I'm coloring it in. So I just wanted to keep some of these lower amounts open just because they make me feel better. I like having low ones that I could finish off on. So I'm not going to color those in, even though I could right now. I'm trying to focus on the larger numbers and like knocking those out. So I think I'm going to do 10 towards this. That one's not a huge priority because I'm trying to finish some other challenges first, like the 52 circles, which this will get leftover money. So even though I did 21 here, I'll put leftover money from my wallet into this. So it'll get more than 21 when I cash stuff. So definitely check out my cash stuffing to see how much actually goes into this challenge. So I'm gonna put 10. That leaves me with 16. I just wanted to do like a decent number in this challenge, this brain dump one. So can I do 10? No, 11? I could do 10. Oh, I could do 11. Or I could do 12. Wait, 12, 15. Is 15 the highest? I'm going to do the highest. 15. We'll do 15 in this challenge. Just to, because I've been putting a lot of lower numbers in this one. This has been a nice one to have because it's nice, easy numbers that I could fill in. So I'm going to end this on a high and do 15 for this challenge. That is the brain dump. 15. That leaves me with $1 that I can put into my dollar savings challenge, just collecting dollars in there. And that is it. All right, that should be the full 528. I'm just gonna double check my numbers and make sure this is correct. Make sure I told everything correctly. And then I can figure out all the denominations. My numbers look good, so now I can figure out the denominations. All right, so that one's already figured out. Oh, and also, I didn't mention earlier, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hopefully, if you're watching to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, you'll want to subscribe because then it seems like you've been enjoying the video if you were watching this whole time. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. That also helps out this channel, this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna figure out the denominations. Auto is getting 15, so that's gonna be a 10 and a 5. Electronics is a 5. Emergency 10. Extra savings is 25, so 20 and a 5. Then a 5, 25, 5, 10. A couple of 5s here, and then I have 3 10s here, 2 5s here, and then 2 10s. 15, 10, 25, 20 and a 5, then 10, 25, 15, 5, 5, 10. Okay, 21 for 52 circles, so that's 20 and a 1. Cash dash is 10. Power up is 6, 5, 6. Brain dump is 15, 10 and a 5. $5 challenge is 15, so that's 3 5s and then 1. All right, so now I'm just gonna count the tallies. 50 is 1, 20 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20s. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and then we have 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And then 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, sorry, it's getting hard to write towards the bottom. All right, now I'm just going to multiply these two numbers to get the totals and then add those together to make sure I have 528. So 50 times 1 is 50. 20 times 8 is 160. And then 10 times 20 is 200. 22 times 5 is 110. And then 8. Okay, so that's 50, 160, 200, 110, and 8. Perfect. Okay. So now I'm just going to write that out here. Let's see, I'm gonna move this way, right on here. So this is what I'm giving the teller at the bank. So 50s, I need 1, and that's a total of $50. 20s, I need 8, that's 160. 10s, 20, that's $200. 5s, I need 22, and that's 110. And then 1s, I need $8. No, my pen. Okay, and that's a total of 528. Okay, so that is what I will be asking for when I go to the bank today. And that is going to be it for this video. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I definitely would love to have you subscribed. It helps out my channel a lot. I'm trying to hit some subscriber goals. So if you haven't already, make sure to do that because it's free. So it's definitely in the budget and you'll be able to see all the videos that I post because I post a lot of videos. I try to post every day, sometimes miss a couple here or there, but I do put out a lot of content for you to enjoy. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to do that. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video.